Salah satu pelafalan yang paling sering bikin orang bingung adalah pelafalan can dan can't. Kenapa bisa bikin bingung?
Tell us what's a dirty word or what we can or can't do.
What your friends or family say you can or can't do.
Because it does help users understand what they can or can't do with those materials.
Because if we have a belief that we are limited in what we can or can't do.
Sebelum aku mulai penjelasan, aku pengen kamu tahu bahwa ada perbedaan di cara pelafalan huruf T kalau T ini ada di akhir sebuah kata. Ada stop T dan ada true T. Kalau true T itu kayak gini. Hat, cat, eat, sit, can't. P-nya tuh bener-bener kedengaran banget gitu di akhir kata. Nah, kalau pakai stop T, itu kedengarannya kayak gini. Hat, cat, won't, sit, can't. Nah, kalian dengar bedanya kan? Hat, hat. Sit, sit. What, what. Can't, can't. Nah, itulah alasan kenapa kata can't itu sering kedengeran kayak can't. Karena mereka pakai stop T. Biasanya in real life, kalau misalnya orang native ngomong, apalagi kalau cepet, kamu nggak bisa selalu mengandalkan buat dengerin true T-nya. Karena misalnya orang native suka nelen T-nya gitu. Orang native kalau ngomong cepet, mereka selalu pakai stop T.
I've already had 80 meetings to try and figure out if this kid can't come to school.
Whether we mix meat or milk or what we can and can't eat.
People don't like being told what they can or can't do with their own hardware that they own.
Like, what you want? I need to eat. I can't do it. Can atau can't barusan? Nah, jadi gimana kamu ngelatih kuping kamu supaya tahu perbedaan can't dan can? Pertama adalah panjang pendeknya. Kalau misalnya can, itu ber-N-nya kedengaran banget. Can, I can do it. Kalau can't, itu tuh benar-benar pendek. Can't. I can, I can't. I can, I can't. Like, do you hear the difference? Can, can't. Nah, coba kalian lakuin hal yang sama. Can, can't. There you go. Nah, gimana cara ngelafalin can't pakai stop T? Suara can't itu hampir sama dengan suara dalam bahasa Indonesia itu agak ngeden sedikit kan, kayak it comes from here. Nah, itu pelafalannya hampir sama dengan kata can't, 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 gitu. Nah, coba kalian sendiri. Dan perbedaan yang kedua, can itu kalau misalnya ngomongnya cepet bisa dibaca kayak can. Nah, karena suara can itu lebih panjang dibanding can't. Can kalau misalnya kita ngomongnya cepet bisa terdengar kayak can. Kayak kental, kayak susu kental manis. Itu bisa dengar kayak can. I can understand you. I can go. I can go.
She did it. And I can do it too.
I'm 6 years old. And all I can think about is getting the pink Barbie Corvette.
Tapi kalau can't nggak bisa. Karena can't itu aja udah pendek, nggak bisa dipendek lagi. Jadi kalau cepet, can bisa dibaca can. Tapi kalau can't selalu dibaca can't. I can go. I can't go. Gitu. Contoh kalimat I can go dan I can't go, cepet dan lambat. Contoh ya, lambat. I can go. I can't go. Sekarang yang cepet. I can go. I can't go. I can't go. Can you go? Can't you go? Gitu. Nah, dari aku itu aja perbedaannya. Tapi ingat guys, bahkan orang native aja masih sering bingung kalau misalnya mereka itu benar-benar gak kedengaran. Did you say can or cannot? Kayak tadi lo bilang can atau can't, dan saat ini terjadi mereka akan selalu klarifikasi. Did you say can or cannot? So, kalau misalnya lain kali kamu ini nggak tahu apa perbedaannya, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Did you say can or cannot? Gitu. Nah, exercise time buat kalian semua sekarang. Sekarang coba latih listening kalian supaya bisa ngebedain can or can't di beberapa video berikut ini. Feel free buat ngulang-ngulang ya. Good luck!
From doing things and tell people what they can, can't, should, and shouldn't do.
I've already had 80 meetings to try and figure out if this kid can't come to school.
Whether we mix meat or milk or what we can and can't eat.
Tell us what's a dirty word or what we can or can't do.
What your friends or family say you can or can't do.
Because it does help users understand what they can or can't do with those materials.
Nah, itu aja guys. Mudah-mudahan di video ini kamu mulai mengerti perbedaan can dan can't, dan kita akan ketemu lagi minggu depan. Bye-bye!